Hey everyone! So today we're going to be doing a cloud pour, at least our attempt at a cloud pour, but we're going to be using the Behr satin enamels that I mixed up. I do have a video on how to mix that paint. If you check out my playlist, you'll find it there. So I mixed up some paint without silicone. It's just Floetrol and a little bit of water. And we're going to try this with Prussian blue. This is sterling silver in a jar from Deco Art. And this is Creative Inspirations Cobalt Blue. So we're just going to ring it. The base coat is my normal base coat. That link for that video is below. How to mix that. So let's get started. So I'll start with some white. We'll add some Prussian blue. A little bit more white. Some sterling silver. Some cobalt blue. And I'm going to put the silver right on top of that one, so I can use it up. And white. So I have plenty of paint here. Of course, I already dripped. Okay. So we're just going to pour a ring. And we will tree ring it. Plenty of paint here to play. Okay. So you want to torch your bubbles out before you tilt. That will help give you more clouds. I've never had a poofy cloud painting, so I don't know how I would react if I got one. I've watched I don't know how many videos, but I always put something in there to keep my paint from cracking, so that might be a reason why I don't get those effects that everybody else gets. Definitely going to have some beautiful skins here. So I'm going to let this sit and see what happens, because we are getting some there. Let me pour this corner off a little bit more. So I'm going to let that set, because I have a lot of things going on here. And yes, I'm still sick, but I'm pushing through. Let me torch it, and we'll let it set 10 minutes, and we'll come back. Okay, I'm back. So as I sat there watching these come up, these are more developed cells. So I think what I want to do is go ahead and push this off just to open up the rings. I do like the dark blue there, but I think it's totally defeating what I'm looking for. So let me get most of that off, and then I'll bring it back over. careful, I'm getting zigzaggy now. But I'm going to leave it right there. Because I think as this sits and dries, I think some more of this pillowy white will start to show up. So I think that's going to be it for this one. Subscribe if you haven't already. Click on that bell so you'll get notified when I upload new videos. Click like and share. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think. I may have to redo my mix on this and take the glue out just to see if that makes a difference. And I think I might do that for the next video. Or maybe at a later date. But I'm going to wait and see how this comes out. And we'll take it from there. Check out all the links below. Still not too late to donate to the channel for our sponsored giveaway on July 1st. And also join our group on Facebook, the Garage Posse. And we'll be there to help you if you have any problems with your acrylic painting. And also just to show your work and get some ideas. So thanks so much for watching. And I'll see you all on the next one. Bye now.